Tired of wrestling with your kitchen faucet just to get a decent spray? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Faucets Kitchen Faucet. First up is the Faucets Kitchen Faucet with pull-down sprayer. Priced at just $51.57, this brushed nickel beauty immediately caught my eye with its sleek design and high arc, making it perfect for any kitchen. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient faucet, this is worth a serious look. This faucet is constructed with SUS 304 stainless steel and features a drip-free ceramic cartridge, which means it's built to last and safe for your family. With a flow rate of 1.8 gallons per minute, it saves you 20% more water while still providing a strong stream. It also has a versatile 3-spray mode functionality: stream, spray, and pause. This means whether you're filling pots or rinsing dishes, you can easily switch modes to suit your needs. However, some users mentioned that the installation instructions weren't very clear. Here's the thing though, as someone who has installed faucets before, I found it pretty straightforward and managed to set it up in under 15 minutes without any help. So if you have some DIY spirit, you should be fine. This faucet is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet stylish option that doesn't compromise on functionality. Skip this one if you need a faucet with dual handles or if you prefer something more elaborate in design. For the price, it's a solid investment that gets the job done right. Now, if that slight installation hiccup concerned you, the next product on my list takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, OWOFAN Kitchen Faucet. Next, we have the OWOFAN Kitchen Faucet, priced similarly at $51.59. What stood out to me was the industrial design that not only looks amazing, but also fits under most cabinets with its perfect height of 18.5 inches. If you need a faucet that looks good and fits tight spaces, this one's for you. This faucet features an 18-inch pull-out hose that can reach every corner of your sink, making dishwashing less of a chore. It has a dual mode setting for soft aerated streams and powerful spray, which is great for rinsing tough messes. Plus, it's made from food-grade PEX inner hoses, meaning you don't have to worry about lid leaching into your water. However, a few customers complain that the spray function could be a bit temperamental at times. Now I'll be real with you, while this may be true for some, I noticed that adjusting the angle of the sprayer helped. It's not a deal breaker for most casual users, but if you need a faucet that works flawlessly every single time, this might not be your best bet. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a stylish look that doesn't sacrifice functionality. Skip this one if you need a more straightforward, no-frills faucet. For the price, it's a solid pick that blends style with utility. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for homeowners looking for a compact design. Product number 3, LUFG Kitchen Faucet. Coming in at $36.11, we have the LUFG Kitchen Faucet. Its sleek pull-out design caught my attention immediately. If you want a simple yet elegant faucet that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth considering. This faucet has a flexible spout that allows for easy water direction, and it comes with an 18-inch retractable hose. The 360-degree swivel spout is especially handy, giving you the freedom to wash dishes without any hassle. However, some users noted that the installation could be slightly tricky for first-timers. But honestly, if you take your time and follow the instructions, it's manageable. Just be prepared for a bit of trial and error. I think for the average user, this shouldn't pose too much of a problem. This faucet is perfect for you if you appreciate an affordable option that still comes packed with features. Skip this one if you need a super high-end look, or if you have larger kitchen spaces that might require more robust fixtures. It offers fantastic value for your money. Now, if you're looking for something a little more upscale, the next product might catch your attention. Product number 4, FORIOUS Commercial Kitchen Faucet. Next up is another FORIOUS option, this time a commercial kitchen faucet priced at $51.54. I was impressed by its larger size, making it suitable for spacious kitchens. If you need a faucet that balances functionality and a modern aesthetic, this is worth a serious look. It features a dual functionality with 1.8 gallons per minute flow rate, ensuring you're saving water while still getting the job done. The integrated aerator also helps deliver a strong stream without compromising on efficiency. One downside I noticed is that it might be too tall for smaller sinks. Some users have expressed concern about it being cumbersome in tighter spaces. Here's the thing, though, if you have a spacious kitchen, this shouldn't be an issue at all. It's designed for those who need a bit more reach. This is perfect for you if you have a large kitchen and frequently deal with bigger pots or dishes. Skip this if your sink space is limited or if you prefer a compact design. For its price point, it's a great choice for bigger households. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more flair, the final product on my list might just be the one for you. Product number 5, Faucets Black Kitchen Faucet. The last contender is the Faucets Black Kitchen Faucet, priced at $56.72. This model not only includes a pull-down sprayer but also comes with a soap dispenser, which is a nice bonus. If you want a modern look with extra functionality, this is worth checking out. This faucet features a matte black finish that resists fingerprints, so you won't spend your time wiping it down. The 3 spray modes, stream, spray, and pause, give you the versatility you need for different tasks. Plus, the 360-degree rotating head and 18-inch retractable hose make it super user-friendly. However, a few reviews pointed out that the soap dispenser might leak over time. Here's the thing, while this is a concern, it's not something you can't manage with proper maintenance. If you enjoy having a soap dispenser alongside your faucet, the functionality outweighs this drawback. This faucet is perfect for those who want a stylish, multifunctional setup in their kitchen. Skip this one if you prefer a classic, shiny finish or if you think the additional features are unnecessary. For the price, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Now, let's wrap this up and compare all these amazing options. So to quickly recap, we've covered the Faucets kitchen faucet, which is perfect for stylish simplicity, the OWOFAN, which combines function and design, the LUFG offering great value, the Faucets commercial faucet for spacious kitchens, and the Faucets black kitchen faucet with its added soap dispenser. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Faucets kitchen faucet for its excellent balance of price, functionality, and ease of use. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the LUFG if you're looking for a more straightforward installation process. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.